Welcome to the 11th test for the Comp 1 2011 exam, looking at changes to the top score record structure. Very likely to come up in some way or other, very simple to do. However, the question will be very specific, so you've got to be careful you do exactly what you're asked to do, nothing more, nothing less. Could be as simple as just adding an extra field, could be a lot more, could be adding things to the file, could be adding things to the reset. I know, we'll look at that in a moment. Let's have a look at an example of what might be happening. The user wishes the number of balls faced to be recorded in the data file as an extra data item shown in a column after the high score. Make changes to the custom data type to top score to allow this data to be recorded. Right, so we're going to do this. You've got to make sure that you do exactly what you've been asked to do, and obviously make sure it's the right data type. You could be asked to do more, but let's have a look at the actual program now. So here's the current structure. I've minimised everything else, and it's as simple as naming your identifier. You'll probably be told what to do, and then picking a sensible data type. So if it's a real number, it'd be single. If it's an integer, you choose integer. I've been trying to think of ways in which they could try and sneak Boolean in there, but I can't think of one at the moment. And it's as simple as that. I mean, if they wanted you to add it to the reset top scores, you'd add it here. So top score count, that's just the index, dot number of balls equals, as an integer, just do 0, and that resets it. So this obviously just scrolls through and sets the whole array to be 0. I mean, clearly, hopefully you've noticed that's the array that's been defined on this data type. So if we go here, dim top scores as the top scores, that's the data type. You don't need to do anything to this, because this knows that this is this structure here. So that's all you need to do. I mean, if they asked you to change how files are being read and written as a subject to that, just find out where the assignments are and add the extra line in that would assign the number of balls, or the average, or the whatever it happens to be. And that's the end of this test.